Hi guys, welcome to TISNET podcast series. And in today's podcast, we have Raksha Singh from Delhi, and she converted Mumbai campus courses. If I talk about disaster management, जो है वो confirm हो गया है. She got Mumbai campus register management and development studies के लिए waitlisting चल. And she joined for the mock test program and the interview preparation at Manure. So we'll discuss and talk many things with Raksha and understand her way of looking at EISS and what was the mistakes and do's and don't. Everything we'll be talking with Raksha. So Raksha, hello, how are you?
Hello. Hi, sir. I'm good. I'm good.
You are good.
Yes, sir.
Very first question I want to ask, what is the feeling after getting the TISS?
Sir, it's just like dream come true. I was struggling for it since 6, 7 months, so it's amazing feeling. I must say.
Okay. How
Yeah.
about your friends, relatives, family? मतलब उनको भी ये पता
Yeah.
होगा ना TISS you got selected.
Yeah. Everyone is aware about this. And yes, my family is extremely out of the world. They are very happy. And yes, my friends are also. Yes, sir.
हैप्पी ओके
Yes, sir.
एवरीवन इज हैप्पी कि जो ड्रीम था जो जिसके लिए प्रिपरेशन यू वर डूइंग यू गॉट दैट कैंपस बेसिकली
I got that campus.
सो
Yeah.
बेसिकली कैपिटल सिटी से फाइनेंशियल सिटी में
Financial city of the country.
तो दिल्ली से मुंबई अभी
Yes, sir.
शिफ्ट होना है ओके सो second question and very important question Raksha when it is come to TISS what quality is check and अगर TISNET के लिए prepare करना है तो being a individual what are the quality one should have or else you can say what kind of a quality one should develop.
Sir, I what I learned eventually while reading and studying that one should have a very capturing capacity. Like should not stuck, should not be rigid to their knowledge. They should not be very definite and monotonous. According to me, what this wants is a very active and a person who is aware of certain factors. So a person should be aware, and they should not like that monotonous thing should be like ignored. बहुत
Okay,
अपने
okay,
या जनरल
okay.
नॉलेज एंड ये सब होना चाहिए.
Correct. So coming to the third question, which is nothing but the preparation wise. TISNET की preparation, what was your journey? How was your journey? What was your ups and down, demotivation, or what made you कि भाई continue prepare करते रहना चाहे जो भी हो जाए because I want only TISS.
Yes, this was in my mind. First of all, I want only TISs because इसके अलावा I was not getting that much good college which can stand beside this, right? So
Okay,
ups and down was like I was preparing along with my last semester. I had to appear for my college exams in December, and
okay,
this exam was on I guess 20th February. This net exam, so it
okay.
was very like disturbing. I prepared for my college exams in December. Then I rigorously prepared for TISNET in January and finally appeared in 20 February. And
Okay.
yes, due to this COVID thing, due to this pandemic thing, everything was very disturbed, but somehow I managed to get respectable marks in TISNET.
Okay. I want to understand your interview experience. So, what was your mock interview experience with Manure और जो real interview में हुआ आपके साथ TISS में?
इंटरव्यू जो मैंने मॉक दिया था और वो था बहुत सिमिलर था आई मस्ट से इन मेनी वेज like before this I did not appear for any interview like any
ओह,
of them.
लाइफ
So
में कोई इंटरव्यू नहीं दिया.
no never never.
ओके,
This was my first experience. So मेरे को इतना था कि I should get experience first. So I gave various interviews at different levels, and yes, many things fortunately matched there. Many things helped me because I did not had a habit of talking with people like this till graduation. So I developed that habit in 5 to 6 months. And yes, it was similar. It was not like out of the world interview. The questions were very similar, the questions were very familiar, the questions were from around you. So it was good. It
if
was
you can recollect one or two question which interviewer
Yeah,
asked you.
they were very concerned. Like, लाइक कि बच्चा आसपास के नॉलेज से अवेयर है कि नहीं, ये दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग, बिकॉज इन टेस्टनेट वी सी दैट जनरल नॉलेज कैरीज अ लॉट ऑफ मार्क्स, इट इज फॉर 40 मार्क्स,
You're
राइट?
right.
सेम हैपेंस इन सेकंड एंड थर्ड स्टेज, द
Oh,
सेम। दे आर वेरी कंसर्न कि बच्चे को आसपास का पता नहीं। दे आस्क्ड मी अबाउट CAA, दे आस्क्ड मी अबाउट फार्मर्स बिल, like despite of the fact I was giving interview for disaster management, they did not ask me anything from disasters. That
okay.
this was unexpected. This is a single thing which was very
Uh-huh.
unexpected, because
Hmm.
मैं बहुत ज्यादा disasters के लिए पढ़ के गई थी, that Sendai framework, that 2005 का act, disaster management authority, सब कुछ।
Okay.
बट उन्होंने मुझसे सिर्फ जनरल नॉलेज और जनरल अवेयरनेस की चीजें पूछी और मेरे ग्रेजुएशन से चीजें पूछी।
Okay.
दैट्स इट।
Okay. Ideally, this is what the surprising thing happened. आपने
या
पूरे कोर्स के लिए प्रिपरेशन की एंड इंटरव्यू में जनरल क्वेश्चन जीके तो ऑब्वियसली दे टेस्ट अ लॉट, और क्वेश्चन कुछ भी हो सकता है. इट इज लाइक एनीथिंग दे कैन आस्क, सो यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर फॉर ऑल काइंड ऑफ बाउंसर्स व्हिच यू कैन थ्रो
you
us.
have to, and you have to prepare from your bachelor subject. This
Right.
is a must point. Bachelor should be strong. Yeah,
Okay. So bachelor's का भी information होना चाहिए. They can ask the question
definitely
from
होना
there
चाहिए।
also. Okay. 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 Next questions regarding the battery down moment. कभी कभी ऐसा लगा था कि यार अब बस नहीं होगा. मतलब ये प्रिपरेशन करते करते कभी कभी आता है कि यार ये टॉपिक नहीं
Yes,
हो रहा, ये
आता है।
जीके इतना वास्ट है, सो हाउ टू प्रिपेयर.
Sir, GK was still, it was good because I come from a humanities background. GK was manageable for me, but mathematics and aptitude portion, that 30 marks experience was very tough, and it was very. So
ओके. ओके.
battery down moment, I would say, वो लास्ट में होता है जब आपका एग्जाम आने वाला होता है, एंड लाइक एक वीक
पैनिकनेस चालू
पहले
हो जाती है.
पैनिकनेस चालू हो जाती है, और उसको कंटिन्यू करना, टू स्टडी रेगुलरली, दैट
ओके.
वाज, उसको मैनेज करना है बस।
ओके.
Yeah.
आपका जो एकेडमिक था, कैन यू ब्रीफ मी अबाउट योर एकेडमिक, मतलब 10 12 ग्रेजुएशन, और वो हेल्प किया था कि आपको टिस के एग्जाम्स को लेके.
Yes, definitely help किया था। In 10th, we study a lot of things. Like we study everything in 10th. ठीक है, तो
ओके.
वो तो definitely help किया, because maths was a subject I never studied after 10th.
आफ्टर
I
10th.
Yeah, maths
तो
was a
जितने
subject.
लोग का मैथ्स वीक है, यू कैन लर्न फ्रॉम रक्षा. 10th के
Yeah,
बाद ही मैथ्स छोड़ दिया था.
maths I left after 10th because
ओके.
I was not good at that subject. So I had humanities in 11th and 12th, and that subject definitely helped me in GK portion, which is a must in TIS exam.
ओके.
And also graduation, I did graduation from political science from Delhi University. So
Okay.
political science definitely helped me, because yes, I was very much aware of these, like what is happening around me, about all the political issues,
ओके.
for which TIS is also very much concerned. So yes, my graduation helped me the most there.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Next is about the mock test, mock taking strategy. Have you built up any kind of a strategy, and what was your highest score in the mock test?
Mock test is a must. Like अगर तुम नहीं कर पाते हो कोई और चीज, कोई और बुक, like people prefer Lucent, people prefer RS Agarwal, ठीक है, that is very much important, but mock is above all. To get an idea exactly for which thing we are preparing, mock is a must. And the very first content which I preferred was mock test. Very first thing, I bought mock test from Manavar itself. It was really helpful. Secondly,
Okay.
sir, yes, sir, mock is above all, I must say.
Highest score was in mock. कितने mock लिखे थे आपने, and what was your highest score?
Probably 10 mock in testnet, to be very honest, and I did not scored much in any of them.
Okay. Okay. Last question. What tips or the suggestion you want to give to all the upcoming year aspirant जो भी कोर्स के लिए वो जा रहे हैं, डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट या तो फिर HRMLR ODCL, टिस्नेट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अगर प्रिपेयर करना है, अच्छा स्कोर लाना है, so what tips you want to give them so that they can prepare well and perform well in the exam?
Okay, sir, the only tip which I would like to put forth is, do not doubt your strategy, which I did. Is that I talk to my seniors, I talk to the people who are into tests, and I no, every day मैं क्या करती थी, एक नया टाइम टेबल लेके बैठ जाओ. Do not doubt your strategy. Every individual is unique. Every individual is different in
Perfect.
their self, right?
Right.
So just believe in yourself. You know your weakness, you know your strength, and no one else can guide you that way, in which way you can guide. So do not doubt yourself and just go with it. It is your dream college. You'll get it definitely. So
Definitely.
yeah,
Right.
all the best and just keep going.
Great. Nice talking to you, Raksha.
Thank
So
you
if
so
I
much.
summarize what Raksha mentioned, basically, first is nothing but जो academic background था, political science का academic help her obviously
Yes,
in her preparation. That, and second is the mock test is above all. So mock तो अपने को continue लिखना है. That is the second. Third is nothing but the your GK study has to be continuous, like
yes,
newspaper reading, which will help in
newspaper
your
reading.
TISNET exam and the interview part. Right? Anything I'm missing?
Yes, newspaper, magazines. Yes, sir.
Okay.
And
Okay.
yes, just believe in yourself.
Believe
That is
in
the final
yourself. Don't doubt about your strategy.
strategy. Yes, sir,
Yes.
definitely.
So thank you, Raksha, for joining and sharing your experience regarding the TISS preparation. So once again, congratulations to you. You
Thank you
got
so much, sir.
TISS Mumbai campus. And guys, more podcasts will be coming up with regards to the TISS. So be connected with the channel. So here we'll say bye-bye to Raksha. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.